In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create subtasks in Microsoft Planner. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and navigate to your plan. In this example, you will begin by going to the area called Project Management. This is simply the plan where your tasks are organized on the board, usually in columns or buckets. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct plan, because subtasks are added inside an individual task, not directly on the main board. Next, locate the task named Document Scope Management Plan and click on it. When you select a task in Planner, it opens a Task Details panel. This panel is where you can view and edit important information like the description, assigned people, due dates, and the checklist. The checklist is what Planner uses for subtasks, so this is the key area you will be working in. After the task opens, click on the highlighted area in the Task Details. This highlighted section is the checklist area where you add individual items that break the main task into smaller actions. Clicking inside it activates the field so you can begin entering your first subtask. Keep your subtask names short and specific, so they are easy to scan later. Click again on the next highlighted area to confirm you are in the correct checklist input. As you add items, Planner will list them beneath the main task, and you will be able to mark each one as complete with a checkbox. This is a simple way to track progress without creating separate tasks for every small action. Now return to the board view and click Document Scope Management Plan again. Reopening the task is helpful when you want to review the subtasks you added, continue adding more, or update what is already there. It also confirms that your checklist items are saved with the task. Finally, click on the highlighted checklist area once more, and then click on the next highlighted area to continue working with your subtasks. As you complete work, check off each subtask. This gives you a clear visual of progress and helps keep the main task organized and manageable. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.